Hi everyone! Welcome back to another video from Gameplay Classic. In this video, we are going to be learning how to fix Candy Crush Saga application if it keeps crashing on your mobile device. If the Candy Crush Saga keeps crashing on your mobile device, it could be due to several reasons. The first reason might be because you are using the outdated version of the Candy Crush Saga app. Simply go ahead and open your Google Play Store or your App Store, and then tap on the search icon at the bottom right. In the search box at the top, type in Candy Crush Saga. Open up this Candy Crush Saga info section and then look if there is an update button available. If yes, tap on update to download the latest version of Candy Crush Saga application. Once you have the updated version, you can open up the app and see if that fixes the issue. If the problem still continues, the next thing you would want to do is to free up storage space on your mobile device. Sometimes the application might crash because of insufficient device storage or RAM. Go ahead and delete any kind of an application you no longer use on your device. Press and hold the app and then click on the remove or delete app button to delete any kind of an application you no longer use on your device. Once you do that, you will be able to clear up storage space on your device, which may also help you fix your application crashing issue. Also, make sure to check if your operating system is up to date. Go ahead and open the System Settings app on your mobile device, and then within the Settings menu, look for Software Update button. If you are on iOS, you'll need to tap on General and then click on Software Update. Your phone will start checking for new updates if it is available. Tap on the Update Now button to update the app immediately. If you want to schedule the update, tap on the Update Tonight button or tap on the Schedule Update button and schedule your update time. Once you update to the latest version of your device's operating system, this will be able to help you fix your crashing issue on your Candy Crush Saga app. These are some of the fixes you could try out if your Candy Crush Saga application keeps crashing on your mobile device. I hope the video was helpful to you. If it was, make sure to give us a thumbs up and subscribe to Gameplay Classic for more tutorials like this. I will see you again in the next video. Thank you for watching.